Hey, what's up, guys? This is Johnny Racer here, and let's see. Yeah. Okay. What we're gonna do is create own tier list. So as you can see, I put all uh the people I thought were OP and the OP list. So like Caveira is pretty OP because of her silent step and all the other things that she can do. Uh, Ella's pretty OP because of her shotgun, and maybe actually she probably would be a double S. Just because, I mean, yeah. Her main gun's not that. I mean, her main gun's really good if you know how to play it right. So, I don't know. Ash is really good. Mavik's really. You know what? Mavik gets the double S. Just because, um, I think if you had a different weapon other than his DMR, it'd be better. But his DMR is okay. It's not that good. But, but these five operators are not moving at all. Let's see. Habana definitely can go up there because actually no, okay, I think Cabana goes right there. But yeah, so Jack was really good, and one of the OP operators. Jaeger's really good to play overall, and Mavik's too quiet. Cade is like the better bandit, but still on par. Not sure. Cade's like the worst bandit, just because his guns are not that good as bandit, but he's up there. Mute is really good because you can turn the playing field around a lot. Ella, I already said Ella. So Pulse, uh, actually his gun's pretty good, and the shotgun's OP. Let's see, Thermite and Thatcher are really good. Um, Mirror's good. Nomad, well, yeah, Mirror has some really good pro strats, so I'm gonna put her at the double S. Nomad has decent good like things. Her gun's really good. Her Nomad thing's really good. Twitch, yeah, really good. If you didn't have the 417 or the other gun, shotgun, he would be so much better. Now we got Valkyrie. I think Valkyrie gets a double S because um, she can put her cam pretty much anywhere. Ying gets a double S as well because she is overpowered. Uh, she should not have an LMG as her main gun or assault rifle with 80 rounds. She should not have that. I think Fuse gets a. Legion says A. Rook says A. Yeah, I think everyone else. Actually, Alibi should probably get an A because their gun's really good. I think that's it. So, guys, if you want me to do another tier list, I will. Let me know if you guys what you guys think about this tier list. So, anyways, actually, you know what? Frost. Before we go, Frost gets a B because her gun is really good and her shotgun's pretty OP. And yeah, I think we're done here. So yeah, if you like this video, please leave a like and let me know if you think this tier list is accurate. Alright, peace out.